Uncle Drew scored 28 points in 5 and 5/6 of minutes during a game of basketball. How many points did he average per minute during that 5 and 5/6 of minutes? Per minute. Okay. So we have points. We have minutes. And he scored 28 points in 5 and 5/6 of a minute. So to go from 5 and 5/6 to 1 minute, we want to know how many points did he average per minute. So we need to divide 5 and 5/6 by 5 and 5/6 to go from 5 and 5/6 to 1 minute. So we need to divide 28 by 5 and 5/6 to know how many points he averaged per minute. Divide. Okay, so 28 divided by 5 and 5/6 is the same as 28 divided by, I will convert this to an improper fraction. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35 over 6. So 28 divided by 35 over 6 is the same thing as 28 multiplied by the reciprocal, which is 6 over 35. Okay, this is the same thing as 28 times 6 multiplied by 1 times 35, and this can be simplified. 28 is divisible by 7, so 28 divided by 7 is 4. 35 divided by 7 is 5, so 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 5 is 5. So 5 goes into 24 times, and 4/5 is the remainder, so 4 and 4/5. 4 and 4/5. Simplify this, okay, so they don't want a mixed number. So what is the improper fraction is 24 over 5. Jerry is a judge. He hears 5 cases every 2 3/8 of an hour. Jerry hears cases at a constant rate. How many cases does he hear per hour? So, cases and hours. So he hears 5 cases every 2 3/8 of an hour. And we want to know how many cases does he hear per hour. So I need to go from 2 3/8 of an hour to 1. So I divide 2 3/8 by 2 3/8. So to know how many cases here is per hour. I need to divide 5 divided by 2 and 3/8. So 5 divided by 2 and 3/8 is the same thing as 5 divided by 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19 over 8. So this is the same as 5 times the reciprocal, which is 8 over 19. So 5 times 8 is 40 over 19. 40 over 19. Harvey, the wonder hamster, can run 3 1/6 of a kilometer in 1/4 of an hour. Harvey runs at a constant rate. Find his average speed in kilometers per hour. Okay, so kilometers, hours. So he runs 3 1/6 of a kilometer in 1/4 of an hour. So we need to find his speed in kilometers per hour. So to go from 1/4 to 1 hour, I need to multiply 1/4 times 4. Okay, because 1/4 times the reciprocal is 1. So I need to multiply 1/4 times 4 to go to 1 hour. So if he runs 3 kilometers in 1/6 of a kilometer in 1/4 of an hour, I need to multiply this by 4 to know how many kilometers he can average per hour. So 3 1/6 times 4 is, I will convert this to an improper fraction. So 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19 over 6 times 4 over 1. This can be simplified. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 19 times 2 is 38. Over 3 times 1 is 3. 38 over 3. Francine uses 2/3 of a cup of pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. 2/3 of a cup for every 1 cup of orange juice. Orange juice, 1/3 to make a smoothie. Okay. Enter the number of cups of pineapple juice Francine uses for 1 cup of orange juice. Okay, so to go from 1/3 to 1, we need to multiply by 3. So 2/3 times 3 is same thing as 2/3 times 3/1, which is in this simplified. So 2 times 1 is 2/1, which is 2. So she needs to use 2 cups of pineapple juice. Good. Thank you for watching. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to continue to this section, constant of proportionality, and I will do this practice, constant of proportionality from graphs. I'll see you in the next video.